Hi friend, welcome back to YouTube channel Myk and Sis. It's me Manha here. I'm a bro.
It's me Mohammed. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റൽ വീഡിയോ ആണ്. എയർ സീരീസിലെ 3rd എപ്പിസോഡ് ആണത്. For this experiment, we need a bowl containing water. We just added color for this and a drinking glass. Put the glass into the water and turn it upside down. Manha, so now can you lift up the glass but without the rim going above the surface? Okay, like that. Alright.
Why the water inside this glass is not going down?
Manha, that's because the pressure of the air on the surface of the water in the bowl pushes the water up into the glass. If the rim of the glass were raised above the surface of the water, the air would enter and push the water outside.
Then the glass would be empty.
What did we learn from this experiment? Air exerts a force of pressure on all surfaces with which it comes in contact. So that's how air makes water rise up into the glass. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.
Until next video, goodbye.